Hello, everyone. Welcome to another video. Bloomberg Terminal costs $24,000 per year. This AI tool does 80% of the same for just $96. Try it free for 7 days. Cancel anytime. 1. Just discovered. FinBud AI. AI, easily the smartest investing co-pilot out there. It tracks whale moves, scans millions of data points, and spots high upside trades in seconds. If you're serious about investing, check this out, finbud.ai. 2. Here's how FinBud AI changes the game. 1 AI-powered stock screener. No more spending hours analyzing charts. FinBud surfaces high-potential stocks in seconds, driven by real fundamentals, not social media noise. Try it free for 7 days, finbud.ai. 3. Smart money flow. Ever wonder how Nancy Pelosi nails her trades? FinBud tracks real-time moves from top U.S. politicians, giving you insider-level visibility. See what the smart money is doing. 4. Deep research and analysis. Skip the spreadsheets. FinBud gives you instant, pro-grade insights, earnings breakdowns, fair value estimates, buy and sell signals. All in seconds. All in your browser. 5. Options trader. You'll love this. The Option Chain Explorer reveals unusual activity contracts with whale-sized trades that could signal the next big move. No more guessing. 6. Want to compare stocks side by side? Just tell FinBud which tickers. It'll break down all the key metrics you care about. In this example, ETETSLAVs, $1,211, HEK, but you can compare 3, 5, or more instantly. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, and please subscribe us. Thanks for watching.